Have you ever heard of red light therapy? Allow me to explain. Red light therapy is a huge benefit towards your mitochondria. And when we look at plants, plants harness the sun's energy, the sun's sunlight. And guess what? Humans can do this as well. Now, what the research shows is when we talk about red light therapy, specifically red light therapy, is this penetrates the skin and it gets down in the mitochondria and actually produces ATP in the mitochondria. If you look at this diagram right here, how red light therapy works, it actually penetrates deep in the mitochondria, and it 1 increases more cellular energy, 2 lowers inflammation, and 3 improves blood flow. Now, I want to give you a demonstration right here. Have you ever had a flashlight? So here's a flashlight right here. And have you ever taken a flashlight and put the flashlight on your finger and you're like, it's red. It's red because my blood is red. Guess what? It's not red because your blood is red. It's red because light therapy, the only light that can go through tissue is red light. So it's a red light that's penetrating my finger right now. It's not the blood, it's actually the red light of the whole light beam here. So what the research shows is that red light therapy can get in your mitochondria and start producing energy. That's one property. And the second property is the red light therapy can actually cause the fluid in your cells become more fluid. And what does that mean? That means that things operate easier. It's easier to produce ATP because the water in the cell, it's easier to produce energy. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.